Hi, Tony here. US equity markets are on track for another outstanding week as both the S&P 500 and Nasdaq hit fresh all-time highs to be on track for a sixth straight week of gains. Solid corporate earnings, renewed enthusiasm around AI, and resilient economic data have helped investors look past the ongoing stalemate in the Middle East and elevated oil prices. Closer to home, the ASX 200 has finished this week just 14 points higher at around 87.44. The tepid performance comes after the RBA raised rates by 25 basis points on Tuesday, which has now completely unwound all of the 75 basis points of cuts we saw during 2025. Losses in energy, consumer facing, and utility stocks have offset solid gains in the big banks and mining stocks. Looking ahead, apart from the situation in the Middle East, the focus shifts to some key data releases. Consumer confidence here in Australia will be in focus given the RBA's rate hiking cycle, and inflation updates in the US and China will also be of interest. Meanwhile, the US quarter one earnings season rolls on with results from JD.com, Under Armour, Alibaba, Cisco, and plenty of others. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more market updates next week.